Hey guys, my name is Elijah, and in this tutorial I will show you how to change your URL on LinkedIn. This one is fairly simple, so I will show you right now. First step is going to your profile, so click on your profile picture and click on View Profile. This will show you your profile page. You have to go right here and click on this pencil icon next to public profile and URL. This will open up a new page, and basically on this page you can change your URL right here. So click on this pencil icon again, then just go all the way to the right and delete your URL and add your new personal one. Once you're done, just press save. Just keep in mind that your custom URL must contain 3 to 100 letters or numbers, and do not use spaces, symbols or special characters. Press save if you are done, and just like that, as you can see, success, your URL should be changed. Thank you for watching. If this video was helpful to you, consider subscribing and liking this video, and I will see you in the next tutorial. Bye bye.